Hey guys, Tony here from Sydney Dashcams again. Here we've done an MDVR system. We offer these as an offline or online system. We've just done to this Kenworth truck, forward facing, a left mirror facing, and also a rear camera. So all 3 channels are recording. We can do up to 4 channels, and if need be, we can do up to 8 channels. Touchscreen 7-inch LCD. If you want to switch to prioritize a certain screen, you can. We can double tap the rear camera and have a full image. We can tap the screen again, and if we want to see the front camera, we double tap that. This is full high definition, 1080p. We can go up to 2 terabytes of hard drive with an SSD drive, give you 400 hours recording time in total. Things such as event panic switches we can also do. We can make switches to set event triggers and so forth. And there is a side camera which is on the left mirror, which is pointing down the side, especially handy for the trucks. Recording as well in case anybody decides to take a cheap move on the inside of you. You've got this camera recording, and basically that will be your evidence right there. So this is in a cement truck, and we can do the other mirror if need be. Most trucks only get the passenger side purely because that is the offside where people usually cut you off when you take 2 lanes to turn left. Here we've also installed an event switch. In the event that you would like to create an event or flag a file, basically push that button. This is the optional 7-inch LCD, and up here we have our forward facing camera, and on the left mirror, if you can see out there, that is the side mirror. These are fully installed. Like I said, we can do an offline system whereby all data is recorded on a secure key-locked Blackbox. And for you to download footage, it's simply plug in a USB in and download the footage that you require. If you want an online system where you would like to track and also remotely log in to grab the footage, we can also offer that as well. There is a monthly subscription fee for those. So if you would like an online system, if you have a fleet of maybe 10 to 50 trucks, we can also offer that package as well. So here we are, and we'll go back to your normal screen. Again, it also can act as a driver's aid for your left mirror or your right mirror or your reverse. So you can have that on all the time and drive and always know what's behind you. Okay, again, this was in a Kenworth 2020 truck. I think this one is a K200. I might be mistaken. We've got a bunch of K200s to do next. Alright guys, for more information or any questions, please send us an email, inquiry@sydney-cams.com.au, or you can give us a call, 1-800-96-1515, or check out our website, www.sydney-cams.com.au. We are the leaders in mobile black box solutions, so before you see anyone else, give us a call. If it's for your truck, your car, earth moving, machinery, give us a call. No worries. Thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.